Hello gentlemen. Basically I'm going to show you how to take a Word document to a form. It's a little bit hard to read. We're in Acrobat Professional. We hit the Forms tab right inside, create a new form. Tells me that it's going to transfer over to a different type of Adobe, but it's part of Acrobat Professional. Takes just a little bit to load up. It's actually Adobe Designer. It's going to ask me a new blank form based on a template, import a PDF or import a Word. I can't import a Word, that'd be the best, but I've only got 2007 and this Adobe version will only recognise 2003 Word, so I'm going to import a PDF. With importing the PDF it's going to ask me for the location where I want to get it from. I've got it on a flash drive, so I will go into the Pocket flash drive. I'm going to do the site induction verification form. It'll ask me to go next. It's going to maintain whether it's editable or preserve the appearance. Obviously I'm going to preserve the appearance. If I do the other way it won't do it. It's going to ask me for a return method because this is for automatic return, which is what I discussed, that you fill out the form, it doesn't save the form, you just hit email. So we're going to do email and you can put in any address. I'm just going to do an invalid address so it'll let me continue on. Okay. And what it will do now is it'll look at some of the characters, some of the stuff, as far as fonts that it might change, and basically then it just opens up the form in a PDF. It puts the email button up here. Basically I just click on the email button and delete it because I don't want it on there. Because I'm not able to do 2003 Word, which hopefully will be sorted out in the next couple of days, it doesn't recognise paragraphs properly, so I've just got to go and change it. That's the only modification to the paragraph I've got to do. And for some reason the AI GTS picture, it won't let me rotate, it puts it on the wrong way, but I just copy and paste it on afterwards. Basically it then lays out all the boxes. In the top right hand side here, it's got all the actions, the library. So if I want a tick box, I click checkered box, click it here, it dumps it on there. I can actually write on here, so if I want to grab this and put it down as first day or first week, and I'll just zoom in on the image so you can see it a little bit better. If we were to make our forms in PDF, that'd be a lot easier because I would just type that in there and that would be the tick box, how it would actually turn up. So you'd see the tick box and the writing. Because of what we're doing and we're merging the documents and I'm trying to make sure that all I do is get the editable ones that I want, I just shrink the box down, I copy, I have a look at what I'm going to do. I need two boxes here, all tick boxes I make the same size, and I just go and place it straight over top of where the tick box is. Once I've done the whole lot, then I'll just send that in the save version. I can do text fields as well. Text fields are very easy. Again, it's got the name, we're not using it, so I delete it and then shrink the box back down to just the plain text box. And then I literally go and put that over top of the text box that you've already given us. Just merge it up to the same size. Once I've done one text box, I just copy and paste so they're all the same size and format. Same with the tick boxes. So any of the stuff that I've got down here, etc verification, same tick boxes. Same with all the comments. I go and copy and paste the comment box and just place it down there, so that's where my comments are. Okay. From there I just go and save it as it's a PDF. and I just go and put it in iPad docs. Alright, it is as simple as that to make the form. Probably take me about 20 minutes to complete a form. I think the more involved ones may take up to an hour, but if they're actually built in PDF, as far as you do your typing in Word, send it to PDF to go and put all your editable fields in, I think it would be a lot more streamlined, but that's one option. The other thing that I want to show you is some of the changes that you can actually put in a form. And I'll go into what is the PPE form because it's the most functional form that I've made. And it's something that you can't see on a normal computer unless you've got this or you've got the iPad. And I'll show you shortly on the iPad how that works. Basically what happens here is there's drop down boxes, and in the right hand side it's got all the stuff in there. So you just build your text up. So if I want to add another one, I hit plus and I can add another size to the uniforms that come up. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, it's fairly editable, and it makes it a lot more functional, and more importantly the form's locked. So what I'll do is end this video now and I'll show you this PPE request form on the iPad.